What if I told you there's a place where planes disappear, ships vanish, and compasses go haywire? Yes, we're talking about the Bermuda Triangle, a region of the Atlantic Ocean shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, it spans roughly 500,000 square miles of seemingly tranquil sea. But don't let the calm, azure waters fool you. Over the centuries, this stretch of ocean has earned a reputation for inexplicable disappearances and strange phenomena. Imagine a sunny day with a clear sky, you're aboard a ship or a plane cruising smoothly, and then, without warning, your compass starts to spin wildly. Your instruments malfunction, radio contact is lost. And before you know it, you're enveloped in a thick, impenetrable fog. Then, silence. You, your ship, your plane, simply gone without a trace. That's the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle. Reports of unexplained incidents in these waters date back as far as the era of Christopher Columbus. He too reported erratic compass readings and mysterious lights. Since then, the triangle has swallowed up countless ships and aircraft, fueling tales of vanishing vessels and ghostly apparitions. However, here's where it gets even more interesting. The Bermuda Triangle doesn't officially exist. That's right, the United States Board on Geographic Names does not recognize it, and it's not marked on any world map. Yet the lore of the triangle persists, fueled by the eerie tales of those who have ventured into its depths, and the mysteries that continue to surround it. So what's really going on in the Bermuda Triangle? Are these incidents just coincidences? Or is there a more sinister force at play? These are questions that have puzzled scientists, explorers, and the curious for centuries. It's a mystery that continues to captivate us, a puzzle waiting to be solved. Now, let's trace back to when these strange occurrences began. Our journey begins in the year 1492 with Christopher Columbus. As we delve into the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, it's important to understand its origins. And it all started with a man whose name is synonymous with discovery, Columbus himself. Now, Columbus was on his inaugural voyage to the New World when he sailed through the area we now know as the Bermuda Triangle. This vast expanse of sea, located off the southeastern tip of Florida, would later acquire a reputation for inexplicable disappearances and bizarre occurrences. But the first hint of this reputation began with Columbus's own log entries. While navigating through this area, Columbus reported witnessing strange lights in the sky. These were not the familiar lights of the stars or the moon, but something far more peculiar. He described them as dancing lights, moving in a manner unlike anything he'd seen before. This spectacle was coupled with a more disturbing event. Columbus's compass began to behave erratically. Now, a compass is a sailor's lifeline. It is their guide, their pathfinder. For a seasoned explorer like Columbus, an erratic compass would have been deeply unnerving. And yet, despite these strange occurrences, Columbus and his crew pressed on, eventually reaching the New World. But his experiences would not be forgotten. In fact, they would lay the groundwork for the Bermuda Triangle's enigmatic reputation. From that point on, stories began to circulate about the area, ships disappearing without a trace, aircraft vanishing from radar, unexplained phenomena that defied logical explanation. These stories, tinged with a touch of the supernatural, have kept the Bermuda Triangle in the public consciousness for centuries. They have sparked curiosity, inspired fear, and fueled countless theories. But remember, it all started with a single voyage and a man named Columbus. His encounter with the unknown marked the beginning of the Bermuda Triangle's mysterious saga. But Columbus's experience was just the beginning. The Bermuda Triangle would continue to bewilder and mystify, with each new incident adding another layer to its enigma. As we move forward, we delve deeper into the tales of the 20th century, where the triangle's reputation truly takes a darker turn. Fast forward to the 20th century when the Bermuda Triangle really started making headlines. The 20th century was a time of rapid advancement in technology and exploration. Yet the Bermuda Triangle seemed to defy all logic and understanding. One of the most notable disappearances during this time was that of the USS Cyclops in 1918. This colossal naval cargo ship with 309 souls on board vanished without a trace after leaving Barbados. Despite extensive searches, no wreckage or sign of the Cyclops was ever found. It remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history not directly involving combat. Another significant incident occurred in 1945, known as the disappearance of Flight 19. 5 Avenger torpedo bombers, known collectively as Flight 19, disappeared during a routine training exercise. Despite being piloted by experienced flight crews, all 5 planes vanished, and none of the 14 airmen were ever found. Even more chilling, a rescue plane dispatched to find Flight 19 also disappeared, taking an additional 13 lives. In the late 40s, the Star Tiger and Star Ariel planes met a similar fate. Both planes were state-of-the-art Avro Tudor 4 passenger aircraft operated by British South American Airways. In January 1948, the Star Tiger disappeared on a flight from the Azores to Bermuda. Less than a year later, in January 1949, the Star Ariel vanished on a flight from Bermuda to Kingston, Jamaica. In both cases, no distress signals were received and no wreckage was ever found. It's important to note the lack of satisfactory explanations for these disappearances. Despite numerous investigations and countless theories, no definitive cause has been identified. Weather, navigational errors, equipment failures, all have been suggested, yet none fully explain the mystery. Could it be something more, something beyond our current understanding? The more incidents occurred, the more the mystery deepened. Despite the passing of time and the advancements in technology, the Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle and intrigue. The enigma of the Bermuda Triangle remains a chilling testament to the unknown. In the face of these unexplained disappearances, numerous theories have emerged, each one attempting to provide an answer to the perplexing mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle has been a hotbed for speculation and intrigue. Some theories tiptoe into the realm of the supernatural with suggestions of alien abductions, time warps, and even the lost city of Atlantis. Yes, you heard right, Atlantis. These theories, while exciting, are largely based on conjecture and lack scientific backing. Stepping back into the realm of science, we encounter various theories that propose logical explanations. One such theory points to the presence of large concentrations of methane hydrates on the ocean floor. If these methane hydrates were to become dislodged and rise to the surface, they could potentially create a sort of bubble effect, causing ships to sink. Similarly, planes flying over such a methane burst could potentially crash due to engine failure. Another scientific theory points to electronic fog. This is a meteorological phenomenon where a cloud of electronic or magnetic energy forms and envelops a ship or aircraft, causing instruments to malfunction and leading to disorientation and potential disaster. However, it's important to note that while these theories provide potential explanations, none of them have been proven definitively. The Bermuda Triangle's deep waters still hold their secrets tightly. Research is ongoing, and scientists continue to investigate and debate the validity of these theories. The Bermuda Triangle, with its long history of unexplained disappearances, continues to captivate our curiosity and imagination. Despite the numerous theories and extensive research, the Triangle remains an unsolved enigma. Its secrets, buried deep within the azure depths, continue to challenge our understanding of the world. Despite these theories, the Bermuda Triangle continues to be a source of fascination and speculation. Today, the Bermuda Triangle still holds its enigmatic allure. This notorious stretch of the Atlantic Ocean, framed by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, continues to be the subject of intrigue and speculation. Its reputation as a vortex of doom, where ships and planes disappear without a trace, persists even today. Interestingly, despite its infamous status, the Bermuda Triangle is a bustling thoroughfare. Every day, countless ships traverse its waters and planes fly over it, carrying cargo, passengers, and dreams from one corner of the globe to another. It's one of the world's busiest shipping lanes, with vessels ranging from mammoth cruise liners to tiny fishing boats plying its waters day in and day out. Moreover, statistics tell us that the Bermuda Triangle is not particularly more dangerous or accident-prone than any other part of the world's oceans. In fact, the U.S. Coast Guard and the Worldwide Fund for Nature report that the area sees no more disappearances than any other comparable marine traffic region. But then, why does the mystery persist? Perhaps it's the allure of the unexplained, the fascination with the unknown that keeps the Bermuda Triangle in the public eye. The Triangle's past is indeed marked by a series of strange disappearances and unexplained incidents that continue to baffle scientists and researchers. These incidents, coupled with a generous helping of sensationalism and folklore, have created an aura of mystery around the Bermuda Triangle that simply refuses to fade away. In the end, whether these incidents are the result of mere coincidence or there's more to them than meets the eye, we may never know. What we do know is that the Bermuda Triangle, with its deep waters and deeper secrets, continues to captivate our imagination like few other places on Earth. Whether it's mere coincidence or there's more to it, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's greatest unsolved mysteries.